Hey guys, welcome back to the mill. Another beautiful morning. You can tell I got a coat on. France. The weather has turned here in North Carolina. It's a little chilly this morning, but it'll warm up shortly. What we got going on today, had a customer had a huge elm tree took down in the yard, and they want to try to make Windsor chairs out of this lumber, if you can call it lumber. These logs are short, they're ugly, they're crooked. But we're gonna try our best to give them something they can work with out of it. Had a big butt cut log and he waited too long. It sat in the tree company's yard for a little too long and they sold it. But the butt cut was like 60 inches around or across by about 14 foot long. He wanted us to chainsaw mill it, but I'm glad it got going. I wasn't looking forward to doing it, but we would have. But they brought two tandem axle dump truck loads of just the tops, and customer wants it, and Matthew and I are going to do our best to saw something out of it. He wants a lot of 8/4, 9/4 type stuff for chair spindles, chair bottoms, and bending and stuff like that. So this is not going to be a real productive day. I can tell you, I priced this job basically by the hour. Told him we'd do a day's work, and he'd look at it and see if he wanted to do another day's work, because it just takes time. There's no way to make any kind of production on this. This is probably the best log out there, and it's 10 foot long and crooked, and the rest of them get worse from there. So just hang on, and we're gonna get to it. We appreciate you tuning in, and let's get to milling. Okay guys, that first log, I'll be honest with you, it looked better than I thought. Nancy's got another 10 footer that we just took a minute or two and took it to the beauty parlor, skimmed a little off here and there, chiseled it, shaped her up a little bit, but we're gonna try to do live edge slabs on it. So hang on, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, you can see behind me, Matthew and I got a stack of bananas. They can be sown. Just please be careful. When you're clamping it to the mill, you're just barely getting enough to hold it. Use your good common sense. If it don't feel right, stop, adjust it, do something different. You can always screw, if we're doing thick material, you can always screw a 2x4, 2x8 underneath it to give you something to clamp to, and we may do that yet before the day's over. We got some short pieces that look just as bad as this that we got to do. But it is pretty. I've never dealt with American elm. Has a lot of color, a lot of character, so. Okay guys, you watched us cut this. This is definitely falls under dangerous. Be very careful, be very precise about what you're doing. I mean, we clamped it here and right there on that little knob up there. That's all we had holding it. But we were slow and careful with it. That is some very unique grain. Hopefully it dries well, but it's what the customer wanted, so it's what we're producing. We got a stack of oddball stuff behind you here that we've been going through. We got a couple more little short pieces. I think there's 2. And we'll be done with this little mismatch job. But thanks for watching. Chainsaw. Pretty fucking wide.
Alright guys, thank you for hanging out to the end of the video. As you saw, we took our time when we were cutting through this elm. It was a very dangerous thing to do. Do it at your own risk. We do not advise it. And it turned out amazing. It's one of a kind stuff you can't go to the store and find. And also, as you guys can see behind me here, we're not at home. You're gonna get a sneak peek to some videos to come soon. But until that time, guys, we'll see you back at the mill. Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.